Evergreen Plaza. Okay. I'm so exhausted. Look at this really good-looking bakery. Replica of that jadeite cabbage from the National Palace Museum. Like about an Asian hotel. One of the security in this hotel where you have to insert your card and then press your floor number. Oh, that's us. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi. Very nice room. Room is gorgeous.
Well, there's nothing in the thing.
You should see the buffet they have here for 20 US a person. Look at the different sushi that they have. If you wanted any of the fishes or the oysters or spring rolls or many other items that are made to order, you take one of these little clips and just take it up to the counter, and there are poles that you just clip them on, and then when it's ready they bring it to your table. See, you put them on a pole just like that. You wanted to drink was also included with your dinner, including soft drinks. Here's our hotel for one night only, the Evergreen Plaza Hotel. And there's a shopping center across the street. And the little lights in front of it change color every few seconds. They go green, purple. There we go. Nice bright green. I think that's fantastic. It takes so little to impress me. So much food on the breakfast buffet that I am just going to video the more unusual items. Tofu and 1,000-year-old egg, salted egg, sweet lotus root, weed roll in sweet soy sauce, rose soup, chicken soup, and then you add your own ingredients to it. Stuffed bean curd, different kind of steam buns. Bean curd stick, this dry bean curd.